Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love the quality and style of Vince Camuto shoes, and this high-heeled sandal does not disappoint. My favorite feature is that nice wide heel. It really makes me feel stable when I walk in them. They are slip-on, and the two straps are placed so nicely on the sandal that they feel really secure, and I don't feel like I could walk out of them. The leather quilted look is just so sophisticated. And of course, black is such an easy color to match with my outfits. It's just so neutral. And I can wear these casually with pants or jeans or dress them up with a dress. I feel extra fancy when I wear these Vince Camuto two-strap sandals. They are so beautiful. They're comfortable for me to wear, and I just love having them in my wardrobe. And that's my point of view.